Hey there, Matt. Tommy here from Budget and Kilburn Cars in Manukau. Thank you for your email inquiry. Sorry, your phone call inquiry in regards to the Toyota Hiace van we have. Here's a video for you so you can see in better detail. That was just the key holder there, which I've got in my hand right now. Now it looks like on the front left we've got all-terrain, or people call them snow tyres sometimes, so not the best thing. To be straight up, we're going to get snow in Auckland, do we? Jumping onto the inside here, 3 seats in the front, only done 48,000 k's with a chain-driven 2-litre petrol engine. Seems pretty nice and tidy in there. Man, this weather's shocking today. So much life, for say. Alright, dual slider, nice positive there. Bit of a barrier, slight barrier there, from the back to the front. Looks quite nice there actually. But it's actually really tight and fucking smells nice too. Coming around the van, close that up. Whoop. Right, now 1, 2, 3. Going to around again. No marks of damage down that side there. Back left tyres, all 4 tyres will be the snowies. And it's got a few little chips on the tailgate there. Just double check. Yes, unfortunately. Down there as well. Nothing major. Well, it's got a bit of a mark there as well, Matt. Coming down the driver's side. Into the driver's seat area. Just open this door. Oh yeah. There we go, starts up all good. Now we've been selling cars for 37 years and we do sell over a couple hundred cars each and every month, so you definitely can and will look after you. I'll forward your details through to one of our sales managers, or you can email me back anyway and we'll see what we can do for you as far as the price goes. We are pretty sharp at pricing. We do sell over a couple hundred cars each and every month, so what I mean by that is we work on the high volume kind of way of things, and not the low volume, high margin. And we do bring the higher grade vehicles out, not the lower repair grade stuff. This vehicle wouldn't have been crashed if it hadn't brought in New Zealand. A lot of vans have been out there, been crashed up, brought a new paint job, new front end, all sorts, and they're still cheaper. This is a higher grade original vehicle. All the best, and again, put the vehicles in stock as you can see as well. Okay, Matt, see you, mate.